हाय, मेरा नाम है सिद्धार्थ सिब्बल और आप देख रहे हैं फिल्मी मंत्रा। आई थिंक सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग और एक्साइटिंग पार्ट है कि फर्स्ट टाइम बॉलीवुड सुपरस्टार ऋतिक रोशन इज कमिंग टुगेदर विद टॉलीवुड सुपरस्टार जूनियर एनटीआर। तो एक वो कॉम्बिनेशन, वो एमालगमेशन देखने का बहुत पूरी ऑडियंसेस वेट कर रही हैं कि कैसे इनका एक्शन होगा, फेस ऑफ होगा। आई थिंक जो आज की ऑडियंस लुक फॉरवर्ड करती है वो एक थ्रिलर, एक्शन थ्रिलर, वो ये सही डिलीवर कर रही है यश राज फिल्म। बहुत मजा आता है इनके साथ काम करने में। आई थिंक वन थिंग व्हिच आई हाईलाइट, एंड नॉट ओनली इन दिस फिल्म, इन द अदर फिल्म्स दैट आई पार्टिसिपेटेड, especially the last one which is, came out. Very good experience of working with was Mr. Salman Khan. So I think he's also, um, of course, he's a superstar. अब जो अपॉर्चुनिटी आ रहा है, अब उसमें बोल दो नहीं मेरी फिजिक अच्छी है लेकिन मुझे कॉप का रोल नहीं करना, इट डजंट मेक सेंस। जो मुझे यशराज फिल्म बैनर, इतना बड़ा बैनर इंडिया का, मुझे अगर ऑफर कर रहा है ऐसा रोल, आई विल नॉट डिनाई इट। अगर आप उसके लिए माइंडसेट रेडी नहीं है, देन आई डोंट थिंक यू शुड जंप इनटू इट। But once you're prepared, once you are respecting the institution of marriage and you give it your best, then I think there's so many successful marriages. You see Shah Rukh Khan and Gauri.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं अनुराधा और आप देख रहे हैं फिल्मी मंत्रा। और आज जो हमारे साथ एक्टर यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं, उन्हें वैसे तो कुछ ज़्यादा इंट्रोडक्शन देने की ज़रूरत नहीं, क्योंकि वो वॉर 2 में भी नज़र आने वाले हैं। जल्दी उनकी मूवी रिलीज़ हो रही है, जो हाल ही में रिलीज़ होने वाली है। तो ज़्यादा देर नहीं करते और सीधा उनसे मुलाकात करते हैं। तो सबसे पहले तो वेलकम टू फिल्मी मंत्रा
Thank
सिद्धार्थ।
you. Thank you. Namaskar.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे? वॉर 2 में आप नज़र आने वाले हैं। किस तरह से मूवी आपको ऑन फ्लोर आई आपके पास में? क्या कहना चाहेंगे सबसे पहले तो?
First of all, thank you for inviting me. I think it's a pleasure being here. War 2 is a special movie for me because the first movie I shot in Mumbai after moving to Mumbai. The biggest thing is, of course, is the Yash Raj banner. तो यश राज फिल्म्स ऑब्वियसली 1970 से इतना बड़ा सेटअप है, 55 ईयर्स से इतने बड़े बड़े मूवीज बना रहे हैं। एंड देयर वाज ऑलवेज अ ड्रीम टू वर्क इन वन ऑफ दीज यश राज फिल्म्स, एंड लकीली आई गॉट द चांस। And the shooting actually happened in Yash Raj Studios, so for me it was very interesting and a very surreal experience that I had. War 2 itself is a very interesting spy universe phenomenon Yash Raj has now delved into after making four films in spy universe. In the fifth film after Ek Tha Tiger, Tiger Zinda Hai, Pathan, War, and now this is War 2. So it's pretty exciting being part of such a big, it's a mammoth film on action, and it's action thriller. So pretty excited about it.
एंड व्हाट यू हैव टू से अबाउट योर कैरेक्टर ग्राफ, लाइक मतलब किस तरह से मूवी में आप दिखाई देने वाले, कुछ अगर दर्शकों को आप बताना चाहें।
देखो ज़्यादा तो मैं रिवील नहीं कर सकता बिकॉज अभी कुछ घंटे बाकी
रिलीज पर
हैं।
है। यस।
So few hours, within few hours you'll get to know. But what I can share is I'm playing a special forces officer, so it is a layered role and something very interesting, very challenging for my first role. Though this is the first film I shot, but the second film for me which is being released. So it's quite interesting and it's been an interesting journey being part of this.
ओके, एंड व्हाट यू हैव टू से अबाउट द कास्ट, लाइक ऋतिक सर इज देयर, जूनियर एनटीआर इज देयर, कियारा आडवाणी वाज देयर। क्या कहना चाहेंगे उनको लेके?
आई थिंक सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग और एक्साइटिंग पार्ट है कि फर्स्ट टाइम बॉलीवुड सुपरस्टार ऋतिक रोशन इज कमिंग टुगेदर विद टॉलीवुड सुपरस्टार जूनियर एनटीआर। तो एक वो कॉम्बिनेशन, वो एमालगमेशन देखने का बहुत पूरी ऑडियंसेस वेट कर रही हैं कि कैसे इनका एक्शन होगा, फेस ऑफ होगा। आई डोंट नो इफ यू आर अवेयर, देयर इज अ ह्यूज टॉक्ड अबाउट डांस ऑफ बिटवीन दीज टू एज वेल, जिसमें मोर देन 500 इंटरनेशनल डांसेस आर देयर। तो बहुत बड़ा इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे शूट किया गया है एंड so many international shoot locations. It's been shot in more than 5 to 7 countries, and I think the star power is huge because both these superstars are having a huge fan base, and of course, Kiara is playing a very interesting and a key role as well. Of course, there's also Ashutosh Rana, who is also having a very interesting role. But yes, I'm always been a fan of Ritik, so I love his dedication. In fact, I should share that during the movie, he had a slight injury, but he continued shooting. So I think that goes for his professionalism and dedication to his craft.
ट्रू। कियारा ने रिसेंटली शी she has delivered the baby girl. What you have to say, like कुछ बात हो पाई आपकी उनके साथ में?
First of all, I just say a big congratulations to both Siddharth and Kiara. I think for such a wonderful next step in their journeys, and yes, I think wish them many more good news in the future as well. Yeah.
ओके, लेकिन मूवी से जुड़ी हुई कुछ अगर खास बातें आप अपने फैंस को बता सके जो जिससे वो रिलेट कर सके आफ्टर द रिलीज, लाइक एक्शन है, सब कुछ है, तो किस तरीके से, लाइक कोई हाई पॉइंट अगर आप शेयर करना चाहें?
Yeah, I think as I mentioned, the high point is of course that Yash Raj is now delving into the huge action genre. तो उसमें स्पाई यूनिवर्स जो क्रिएट हो रहा है, अब जो सारी स्पाई यूनिवर्स मूवीज आ रही है, देयर सम सरप्राइजेस आई कैन नॉट रिवील बिकॉज वो आपको अभी कुछ घंटों बाद ही पता चलेगा जब मूवी रिलीज होती है. बट व्हाट आई कैन शेयर इज द डांस ऑफ इज वेरी वेरी एक्साइटिंग. इट्स ह्यूज. आई हैव नेवर सीन सच अ ह्यूज डांस ऑफ. Both are great dancers. Junior NTR, obviously famous for his other song, and Hrithik Roshan तो है ही हमारे बॉलीवुड के सुपर डांसर. तो इनका जो डांस ऑफ है वो इतना बढ़िया इन्होंने शूट करा है. It took many days to shoot and 500 international dancers participating in this. तो वो बहुत है. और I think जो action sequences हैं वो, be it the snow, be it on the plains, there are more than 15 to 20 huge action sequences. तो वो मजा आएगा. I think जो आज की audience लुक फॉरवर्ड करती है वो एक थ्रिलर, एक्शन थ्रिलर, वो ये सही डिलीवर कर लिया यश राज फिल्म्स.
ओके, व्हेन यू मेट द कास्ट ऑफ वॉर 2, कैसा था डे वन का एक्सपीरियंस अगर आपसे पूछना चाहो, लाइक ऋतिक के साथ, कियारा के साथ?
I think besides the superstars, which is obviously very interesting, your first day on the set, I think for me it was very interesting also to meet the director. So Ayan Mukherjee, I've been a big fan. He's made films of all genres, starting from Wake Up Said, Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, which is a totally different, and then Brahmastra, which is an iconic movie as well. So Ayan himself is a creative genius. So उनके साथ just getting an opportunity to be directed by him is a blessing. So वही एक बहुत बड़ा experience था. बाकी yes, of course, all the actors I mentioned, all of them are professionals and बहुत मजा आता है इनके साथ काम करने में. I think one thing which I will highlight, and not only in this film, in the other films that I participated, especially the last one which is, came out, I would say most of these superstars are very humble. On the set, when you work with them, they're true professionals. They make you feel at ease and they make you feel comfortable. And वो आपको एक इतना space देते हैं that you explore your creative, you take your creative liberties and perform in the way that is expected to deliver the character. तो मजा आता है उनके साथ काम करने में, क्योंकि वो you don't feel that star persona overpowering, and it's a genuine professional working with a professional. तो वो बहुत मजा आता है. And I think this is something which I've learned in my first year in Mumbai in Bollywood.
ओके, लेकिन हमेशा एक कहीं न कहीं एक परसेप्शन रहा है लोगों का कि जो बड़े स्टार्स हैं वो कई बार बहुत ज़्यादा सीरियस नहीं होते हैं, और लाइक दे टेक इट थिंग्स वेरी लाइटली, और समटाइम्स वो वेट बहुत करवाते हैं। ये सब खबरें बहुत आती है सेट से बाहर। तो आप पर्सनली क्या कहना चाहेंगे, लाइक इतने सारे एक्टर्स थे उसमें, ऐसा कोई अनप्रोफेशनल टाइप का अगर आप
I will share. So I think ये बहुत बड़ा myth है, क्योंकि rumor और gossip बहुत जल्दी spread होते हैं because these are exciting to hear. But I have seen it on set, and I would like to name some professionals actually. I was lucky to get a chance to work with Shri Amitabh Bachchan on an ad I was doing very recently, and he's a thorough professional. वो टाइम से पहले सेट पे पहुंचते हैं. He is there before anybody else. और जो उनकी लाइंस होती हैं, जो उनका होमवर्क हो, he does that perfectly well. And he's there, he's delivering, he does his job. He takes his even in his break, he's working on his script. He's working on how to improve the delivery. So वो देख के पता चलता है at his age, he's been there for so many years, so many decades, and still the way he delivers, it's amazing. So much to learn. And another superstar I would like to talk about, जिनका नाम बहुत famous इसमें use होता है, but I had a very good experience of working with was Mr. Salman Khan. So I think he's also, of course, he's a superstar. He is one of the biggest superstars in the country today. But even in his terms of his creative genius that I've explored, who work करते हैं अपनी script. He improvises. I've seen him work. When I got a chance to work with him, I could see him improving the dialogues, changing some things, suggesting director ऐसे नहीं ऐसे कर सकते हैं क्या, or trying something new just to make the scene work better. And I think वो एक collaborative effort, एक वो creative जब वो environment बनता है, then you get a good product. तो वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, and I've learned from these superstars. Another one I would like to mention, sorry I'm going on and on, but one name I should not miss out is Alia Bhatt. Alia Bhatt again, I was lucky to work with her on an ad, and also one film which I cannot reveal right now. So in both experiences, a true professional, very dedicated to art, and very hardworking in terms of does a homework and come to the set. तो वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग इनके साथ रहे एक्सपीरियंसेस, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एंड प्रिविलेज्ड that in my first year in Mumbai I'm getting so much good opportunities.
ओके लेकिन लाइक जैसे प्रोजेक्ट की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो सिकंदर आपके लिए कितना स्पेशल प्रोजेक्ट था, क्योंकि वी कैन सी दैट आप सलमान सर का नाम लेते ही एक अलग माइंडसेट में आ गए, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस चीज़ को लेके?
See, I think it was a dream come true for me. मैं इससे ज़्यादा क्या बोलूँ कि since childhood I've been a very big ardent fan of Salman Khan from 90s. Starting from his first film till now, I've seen almost all his films and followed. The person is a genius in terms of not only his the characters he plays, but his off-screen persona, how he deals in life, how he's magnanimous and also very generous in life. And I think so much to learn from people like him. Very rare that you find such noble people that exist in Bollywood. So वो बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे सलमान सर के साथ काम करने का. It was a dream come true. I should mention a very interesting incident. मैं मुंबई में नया आया था, and I was sitting with my friends at a coffee shop, and we were talking, and my friend was like, we were just discussing. So he's like, so what's your dream? What you want to do? So in Mumbai. So I said, I wish I could get a chance to work with my favorite actor Salman Khan. And next week, I got a call from Nadia Adwala office, and I was shooting with him. So of course, it was a tough journey. I had to clear many rounds of auditions, and just being there, nobody knows the hard work that goes behind reaching that step. But I think a lot of blessings also. I feel there's in the spiritual energy and the blessings of God that has helped me achieve so much in such a short time. And it's not, I would even say, an achievement, but it's just a journey which has just started. And I'm looking forward to so many more projects working with such stalwarts and superstars and actors and creative professionals.
ओके सो एक सलमान सर के साथ एक और चीज़ जुड़ के आती है, वो है कई बार वो कॉन्शियसली कर देते हैं, लाइक उनसे उनके पर्सोना से कई लोग डरते भी हैं. सो आपके साथ में वो स्टार स्ट्रक वाला मोमेंट हुआ था, या फिर मतलब लाइक यू आर ऑल्सो गॉट दिस कि आई शुड नॉट गो टू दिस?
See, you're right. Actually, there's a protocol also on set that we follow as actors. That because see, I think you'll appreciate and respect that when there's shooting going on, all actors are in a zone of mind because they're playing characters.
Yes.
Us time they are going through the script. They have a particular image that they have to work on. They have to work on the lines. Us time you cannot disturb somebody for like I'm a fan, or us time जो ये disturbances आती हैं. It's understandable when some actors get annoyed, and I can see that because मैं देखता हूँ set पे, because it's hard work. It's if you have to deliver a good performance, you have to give in all your best to the character that you're playing, because it's all the character that there's nothing else. There's no Salman Khan in that film. It's the character that Salman Khan is playing or any of the actor is playing. तो वो एक मुझे एक starting से understanding था, and there's a protocol that we follow that we don't disturb actors while, but वो fan भी है. That fan also exists within us. So I think जब shot खत्म हुआ, then I picked up the courage and I spoke to him. And such a noble person he is, such a noble person. He spoke to me so nicely. He addressed me. He took my name and details, and he wished me all the luck for Bollywood. And of course, we had a nice, interesting chat. Such a warm person. So हम जो सुनते हैं और जो believe करते हैं मीडिया में, that's something different. But I have experiences first hand. Such a noble and a gentle soul, and it's a pleasure to work with such people.
एंड जल्दी उनका बिग बॉस भी आने वाला है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? बिग बॉस के सीज़न से भी उन्हें फ़ॉलो किया है आपने? लाइक उसमें जो उनका एक होस्टिंग का जो तरीका है, गुस्सा भी हो जाते हैं, हँसाते भी हैं।
Of course, Big Boss is a phenomenon itself, and I think कोई hardly कोई होगा इंडिया में जो Big Boss follow नहीं करता. In fact, if I go home, I would see my families watching continuously these episodes, and so many friends also follow. So I think Big Boss का एक fan following तो बहुत बड़ा है, but I cannot disclose much details because there are some discussions going on. I know it's still 2 weeks to go, so we are we have had some discussions, but I cannot disclose much details.
ओके, सो कहीं कहीं न कहीं आप भी एक्सपेक्टेड है बिग बॉस के घर में?
See, अभी मैं उसमें officially कुछ बोल नहीं सकता, but yes, I can say there have been some talks which has happened. So let's leave it at that because all these are formal channels that we have to follow for make announcements.
एग्री। ज़रूर आपसे जानना चाहूँगी, आपने टीवी पे भी वर्क किया है, तो लाइक व्हाई फुल फ्लेजेड आपने किसी भी मीडियम को पर्टिकुलरली चूज़ नहीं किया? लाइक टीवी में भी जब गुम है और या फिर बड़े अच्छे लगते हो मैं, तो इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ कैमियो और अ सपोर्टिंग रोल, तो व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से अबाउट दैट?
I think the most interesting thing is the versatility that it offers you. So I have tried all three formats, which is the films, which is the big screen, the TV, and also the new format, which is verticals. And all three I've been exploring. So I don't restrict myself as long as the role is interesting, the character is interesting, and gives me an opportunity to play a character which I've not played before, which has dimensions which are exceeding my previous experiences, and which let me play a graph which explores layers of the character. वो मुझे बहुत मजा आता है, और luckily मुझे सीरियल्स में, टीवी सीरियल्स में वो अपॉर्चुनिटी भी मिला है. Though my preference is more for the films, films and web series, which I'm doing now more. But yes, in serials sometimes I play in verticals. I play negative leads, and बहुत मजा आता है when you play a Don, when you play a antagonist. It gives you so much to explore. It's so much different type of people that you work with, different sets of people you work with, different formats. Vertical is another very different format. It's shot in a different way. So उसमें आप कैसे adapt करते हैं? It's a learning, and I think acting is a learning, is a journey, and I'm enjoying it.
ये आपने एकदम सही बात की है कि लर्निंग कभी ख़त्म नहीं होती है, और एक एक्टर वही है जो हमेशा अडैप्शन में बिलीव रखे, न्यू लर्निंग को जारी रखे। तो आपसे ज़रूर जानना चाहूँगी कि आप अपने आप की लर्निंग्स कैसे एवरी टाइम ओके रखते हैं, रेडी रखते हैं कि जब भी कोई ऑडिशन होगा तो लाइक यू गेट दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू।
आई थिंक सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग इसमें रहता है एक्सपीरियंसेस, आपके लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस कैसे हैं. तो आई वुड से गुड एक्टर इज समवन हु हैज लिव्ड लाइफ एंड हु इज लिविंग लाइफ टू द फुलेस्ट. So if you just sit at home and not go out, you will not have too much of experiences. उसमें भी होते हैं experiences, but once you go out, you meet people, you go into different situations, and उसमें लोग कैसे react करते हैं, and situations which you are not familiar with, वो आपको एक
अलग किक देती है।
किक देते हैं, और एक डेटाबेस बन जाता है as an actor.
या
So it's very interesting. I'm sharing with you as a database, because these are some things which I've learned in my acting school as well. Is that database helps you because वो आपके subconscious में वो सब database इकट्ठा हो जाता है. All the travel, so many countries, let's say I've been to, or different people I met, I've interacted with, or different situations I've been in. So वो जो database है ना, वो अब एक particular नई situation आती है, उसमें how will that character react? तो वो आपके अंदर से फिर that flows out. हाँ, but उसमें you have to be cautious as well. That I want to mention that in the end, the films are director's medium, so we have to follow the director. So like theater is an actor's medium, films are director's medium. So we have to follow the director, but at the same time offer what an actor best can offer to the scene, but be flexible in what the script demands as well. So I think वो एक मजा आता है ऐसा काम करने में, which I enjoyed in War 2 as well as Sikandar, where both the directors, Hayan sir and Murgudas sir, gave me an opportunity to explore different facets of that character.
कि सिद्धार्थ, आपसे ज़रूर जानना चाहूँगी कि इंडस्ट्री में कई बार बॉडी फीचर्स या फिर आपकी जो बाहरी दुनिया है उसे देखकर कहीं ना कहीं रोल्स ऑफर होता है, ऐसा आपको लगता है कि लाइक मतलब somebody has a huge body, like you have a beautiful huge body, तो देन एक पर्टिकुलर रोल के लिए आपको पहले से परसीव कर लिया जाता है कि लाइक यू आर सेट फॉर द यू नो एक्शन रोल एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट, ऐसा कुछ?
यस, एक्चुअली आप बहुत सही बोल रहे हैं, ऐसा होता है. आई वुड नॉट डिनाई दैट, बिकॉज अनफॉर्चुनेटली क्या है ना कि जो कास्टिंग होती है एंड मोस्टली डिपेंडेंट ऑन द पीपल्स विजन हु आर कास्टिंग यू, बी इट द कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर एंड देन द डायरेक्शन टीम, द प्रोडक्शन टीम. तो उसमें कई बार ये चैलेंजेस आते हैं दैट दे विल गो विद व्हाट दे सी, एंड वेरी फ्यू टाइम्स दे विल वांट टू एक्सप्लोर कि ये और क्या कर सकते हैं ये कैरेक्टर्स, or what else can we see them as, because they don't have that time, understandable also, right? So I would not blame them, but because see, they have limited time. So but इसमें interesting क्या होता है, this is what I want to share is, मैं पहले थोड़ा सा परेशान होता था because I was getting a lot of roles as cops officers, special forces officers, all these villains. I was getting a lot of these roles as lead villains, lead antagonists. But then I was having a chat with somebody senior in the industry, which I'll not like to name, and that person told me, so that you're getting the opportunities. You're getting the opportunity that so many others are not getting. You're getting an opportunity to star in big banner films, and it's giving you a start. Once you establish yourself, there are more ways to explore other facets of your acting. So embrace it. And I think he was right. तो मैंने फिर इसको embrace करना start किया. अब जो अपॉर्चुनिटी आ रहा है, अब उसमें बोल दो नहीं मेरी फिजिक अच्छी है लेकिन मुझे कॉप का रोल नहीं करना, इट डजंट मेक सेंस. जो मुझे यशराज फिल्म बैनर, इतना बड़ा बैनर इंडिया का, मुझे अगर ऑफर कर रहा है ऐसा रोल, आई विल नॉट डिनाई इट. तो ये सब बातें ना, आई थिंक दीज आर बेसलेस. आई थिंक फॉर मी व्हाट इज इम्पोर्टेंट इज यू गेटिंग एन अपॉर्चुनिटी, दैट मैटर्स. और हाँ, एक बार आप एस्टैब्लिश हो जाओ, for me it's a long way to go. I've just started. Once you establish yourself, then I think you can try different facets. और मैं थोड़ा बहुत explore करता रहता हूँ, even in the short films that I'm working on. In the verticals, I get an opportunity to explore different roles that I've not done. Even in serials, this week I did interesting cameo in a big serial as well. So इसमें नए नए roles मैं explore कर रहा हूँ, मजा आ रहा है, बहुत मजा आ रहा है, enjoy कर रहे हैं. तो I think थोड़ा सा I think you should be able to embrace what's given to you, because वो एक it's something which is good for you.
एग्री. आपसे ज़रूर जानना चाहूँगी कि जिस तरीके से आजकल मैरिजेस का चल रहा है, लाइक देयर इज़ नो कंपैटिबिलिटी थिंग्स लाइक दैट, व्हाट डू हैव टू से, आपकी लाइफ में ये मैरिज कब फॉलो ऑन हुआ और लाइक हाउ इट्स गोइंग ऑन लाइक थिंग्स?
For me, I've been lucky. I found my life partner, and very interesting coincidence that she's also an actor.
पार्ट ऑफ या पार्ट ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री.
Yes, part of the industry. बहुत rare होता है. Usually, what we hear is that actors meet and then they get married. For us, it was the other way around. We married first and then we both decided to move to Mumbai. तो I think वो हमारे लिए एक interesting रहा, और हमारे I think वो एक wavelength match करती है. I think marriage is a lot of patience, and it's a lot of giving. It's a lot of giving. It's a lot of taking. So I think you need to believe in the institution for it to succeed. अगर आप उसके लिए mindset ready नहीं है, then I don't think you should jump into it. But once you're prepared, once you are respecting the institution of marriage and you give it your best, then I think there's so many successful marriages. You see Shah Rukh Khan and Gauri, what an example they set for the industry for so many years. Not a single time you hear any news about them, about anything. Such respected couple, and such humble couple as well, and so many others. So I think if you believe in the marriage and you believe in your partner and you trust your partner, then I think it's perfect.
तो कोई एक चीज़ जो आपको ऐसा लगता हो कि आजकल के लोगों में मिसिंग है, जो वो ट्रस्ट नहीं रख पा रहे या फिर जो भी है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? क्योंकि यू आर लिविंग योर लाइफ इन अ वेरी सक्सेसफुल वे, सो व्हाट यू हैव टू से, लाइक मैरिज है तो आपको समझौते करने पड़ते, कॉम्प्रोमाइजेस होते ही है, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Very interesting actually. तो क्या होता है ना कि I think what today's youth are believing in, sometimes I see that and I also observe a lot, is grass is always greener on the other side, or that fast swipe. Everything is fast now, yeah. Delivery fast, swiping fast. Everything is, you need formats fast, short. T20 now T5 is being talked about in cricket as well. Everything you need fast, right? So उसमें क्या है ना, they're losing the patience, and I think marriages, love requires patience. So वो एक essence है जिस पे ये base होता है, एक trust है. It requires a lot of deep understanding and deep patience with the other person. तो वो I think थोड़ा सा अभी lacking है, but I don't blame the young generation also, because they have to live their experiences. मैं भी एक time पे जब उस age group में था, that 18, 20, 22 age group, I was also very different. तो I can see that now. तो मैं अभी उसे identify नहीं करता उस person से, because now I've lived those experiences. After that, I've lived that life, and now I understand how much it's important to value your relationship and your partner, and vice versa. So I think ये experiences आपको teach करते हैं, and I think it's okay. These youth will also, जो इनके challenges आते हैं, they will also experience. They have to go through these experiences to reach that perfect partner. Sometimes they find it, they marry the first partner they meet. Sometimes it takes a lot of relationships to reach that perfect partner. But I think it's a journey, and you should cherish it.
ट्रू। ज़रूर जानना चाहूँगी कि आपने फिटनेस को आप कैसे मेंटेन रखते हैं, लाइक व्हाट इज़ योर फिटनेस मंत्रा? जिमिंग करते हैं, अपनी मेंटल हेल्थ को कैसे ओके रखते हैं?
ये तो मेरा favorite topic है. I enjoy fitness is on my mind all the time. I think it's a combination of three things, and in that order I would like to mention. For me, the most important is of course diet. You have to really follow the right diet for the right fitness. Second is sleep. A lot of people don't agree, don't believe in this, but sleep, I feel the right sleep is very important. Sleeping at the right time and the right number of hours is very
And
important.
for that matter, sound sleep,
Sound
like
sleep, yes. Yes, you're right.
peaceful sleep.
Peaceful sleep. And the third is, of course, the right workouts with the right guidance. So I believe in doing proper training, proper workouts with the right combination of cardio, weightlifting, and HIIT, everything. It's a combination, but I enjoy more weightlifting is my more preferred workouts. But I would say, for me, workouts are not about physical strength. Though of course, you build your physical strength as a byproduct of your workouts, but the main benefit I feel is you become mentally strong. When you do workouts regularly, you don't feel like you. There's a day you get up and you don't feel like going to the gym. You don't feel like following the diet. Like, I'll do a cheat day today. But if you are mentally strong, you resist. Just go to the gym. Just spend those 90 minutes working out. You just follow your diet to the T, and you sleep, as you mentioned, the sound sleep. It's those small victories make you a different person in the long run. People don't realize it in the short run, but if you do that consistently, that's what makes you a big difference in the long run. And for me, I stand by it. So if you don't feel like working out, doesn't matter. Go to the gym. If you don't feel like, but yeah, I think थोड़ा इतना easy बोलना है, लेकिन इतना कई बार follow करने में मुश्किल होता है. I'm from Delhi, so I'm a big foodie. तो खाना पसंद है, मीठा पसंद है, तो कई बार मुश्किल होता है. I'm not like John Abraham जिसने इतने decades से मीठा नहीं खाया. So for me, I enjoy some. So I have those cheat days once in a while, but then I make sure that I cover up with extra cardio and extra workouts. So वो एक बैलेंस बनाना बहुत जरूरी है लाइफ.
अग्री। और आपने अभी कहा कि कहना आसान है, कर पाना मुश्किल है। यूजुअली देखा गया है कि एक्टर्स मेनी टाइम्स दे गो थ्रू अ लॉट इमोशनल टर्मोइल्स एंड एवरीथिंग। तो आप उस चीज़ को लेकर के क्या कहना चाहेंगे? क्या आपने भी कभी मेंटली कुछ ऐसे ट्रॉमेटिक झेला है, या फिर कुछ बताना चाहेंगे कि लाइक यू हैव ऑल्सो केम आउट एज अ वॉरियर?
यस, एक्चुअली सबकी लाइफ में चैलेंजेस आते हैं, बहुत डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन से लोग गुजरते हैं. आई एम डेफिनेटली एग्रीइंग दैट आई हैव हैड सिचुएशंस एज वेल, but it's what stands out is perseverance. It's just the perseverance and belief in God that everything will turn out right. So I think वो एक बहुत matter करता है. If you are spiritually connected, which I am, so for me that makes a big difference as well. That for every fall that you have, there's gonna be an up. And if you believe in that, then life becomes smoother. See, if you don't have challenges in life, if you don't have upsets in life, then life becomes boring also. अगर हर चीज हर सक्सेस मिलने लग जाए तो यू नॉट एंजॉय लाइफ. जब आप चैलेंज पे जाएंगे, आपको हार्ड वर्क करके वो सक्सेस मिलेगा, उसका जो मजा आएगा ना, वो आपको नॉर्मल सक्सेस आपको किसी ने मूवी हैंड ओवर कर दी, वो मजा नहीं आएगा. बट इफ यू रियली वर्क, आपने 7 ऑडिशन दिए, आपने 10 ऑडिशन दिए, आपकी मूवी, आपका रोल कैंसिल हो गया, आपने शूट करा, आपकी मूवी नहीं बनी, उसके बाद आपने फिर से एफर्ट मारा, उसके बाद जो आपको सक्सेस मिला, दैट मैटर्स. सो आई थिंक इट्स द परसिवियरेंस व्हिच मैटर्स. एंड आई थिंक ये मैसेज मैं यूथ को भी देना चाहूँगा अपने यहाँ पर कि बिकॉज आई मीट लॉट ऑफ एक्टर्स who feel कि अभी sometimes they go through tough phases. So उस time I think it's just about being there, consistently doing it, keep at it. So the 3 words that really matter for me is keep at it. लगे रहो, something will happen.
वेल जैसे हम सब जानते हैं कि मूवी रिलीज पर है, कल ही रिलीज होने वाली है. अ, कुछ ऐसे इनर फीलिंग आ रही है कि लाइक हिट एंड फ्लॉप की वजह से पर्सनली आपको अफेक्ट होता है कभी कोई चीज़?
नहीं
लाइक
नहीं
अगर हिट हुआ तो सक्सेस अपनी ही है, एंड फ्लॉप हुआ तो समटाइम्स ओ गॉड ये क्या रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है, ऐसा होता है?
नहीं नहीं for, no, no, actually not for me because I think मेरे लिए बहुत अलग है. मेरे लिए what matters is what role I played. Did I do justice to that role? Was that role appreciated? So I think वो मेरे लिए बहुत important एक part है. बाकी ये मूवी लोगों ने enjoy करी, that also मजा तो आता है. जैसे सैयारा was a big success. Yashraj film banner again. It was shot at the same time when we were shooting War 2. So उसमें when I see some of my friends who were there, तो अच्छा लगता है that you enjoy their success. But for me it's not, it does not change the life to a great extent. What matters is the role should be good and you should have done justice. If my friends or parents call me or my partner calls me and says, Siddharth, you did a good job, मेरे लिए वो that's what matters. बस तो आपने, you did justice to the role. The director says, I'm happy with the shot, well done Siddharth. अगर डायरेक्टर ने इतना बोल दिया, आई एम हैप्पी विद द शॉट, वेल डन सिद्धार्थ, बस और क्या चाहिए. बाकी तो सब डेस्टिनी है. देखो मूवी तो कोई प्रिडिक्ट नहीं कर सकता, किसी के पास वो नहीं है. कोई जो मूवी सक्सेस, यू एवरीबॉडी विल एक्सपेक्ट कोई सुपरस्टार, तो यू नेवर नो. तो आई डोंट बिलीव इन ऑल दैट, बट अपना काम अच्छी तरह करो एंड एंजॉय करो.
Okay. Lastly, any message for your fans?
Yeah, just few hours to go. Watch this action spy universe thriller. First time Ayan Mukherjee directed such a big action film. Hrithik Roshan, Kiara, and Junior NTR in such dynamic roles, and it's pretty exciting to see such a huge film on such a huge scale made by Yash Raj coming out. And of course, it's a sequel to the War film, which was a huge success also. So looking forward to it, and I hope I'll see you in theaters tomorrow.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Pleasure.